Here's a question that I often get asked as a realtor. How can you tell if a neighborhood is up and coming? If you're wondering if a neighborhood is on the rise, if you're ready to spot the next hot area before everyone else does, then listen in. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to tell if a neighborhood is up and coming. So whether you're thinking of buying, investing, or just want to be in the know, I've got the insider tips and telltale signs that could put you one step ahead of the crowd. First thing is spotting the signs of an up-and-coming neighborhood. All right, one of the first things you'll want to look for is new businesses that are popping up. If you start seeing trendy coffee shops, cute boutiques, and upgraded grocery stores, it's a sure sign things are heating up. Entrepreneurs open shop where they see growth, and their investment usually signals big changes coming. A recent study from the Urban Land Institute found that neighborhoods with small, unique businesses tend to see a boost in property values. So when you spot a new cafe or organic market, that's a good hint that the area is on the rise. Here's a pro tip. Look out for more young people or new families moving in. When a neighborhood starts attracting younger residents and young professionals, it's a major indicator that change is underway. The next thing to keep an eye out for? Well, that's infrastructure improvements. Think updated parks, new bike trails, and upgraded public transit. These changes aren't just random. They're usually part of a bigger plan to make the area more attractive. Cities invest in things like parks and transit. They're betting on the area's growth. The Brookings Institution found that areas with walkable street and transit options usually grow faster in value over time. And hey, who doesn't love a neighborhood that's easy to get around? Have you seen more homes getting renovated in a certain area? That's also usually a sign that the neighborhood is gaining value, and fast. If you notice houses being renovated or new construction projects going on, that's another big clue. When people start putting money into their homes, it shows confidence in the neighborhood. It could be anything from a fresh coat of paint to a full home makeover. Renovations signal that people see value in the area and believe their investment will pay off. Plus, rising home values in nearby areas can also raise the whole neighborhood's appeal too. Wondering if now's the right time to invest? Catch these signs early and you could be stepping into a fantastic opportunity. If you're seeing more local events, farmers markets, art fairs, or outdoor movie nights, that's a great sign that the community is growing and investing in itself. When residents are organizing events or local government is supporting these gatherings, it means there's an active push to build a close-knit, appealing neighborhood. And this community vibe can be a huge draw for newcomers. When new schools are built or existing ones are expanded or renovated, it's often because the population is growing and families are moving in. Good schools and facilities attract families who want a stable place to put down roots, which can also help to drive up demand and property values in the area over time. So keep an eye out for school-related improvements. They're usually a solid sign of future growth. So those are a few key signs to help you spot a neighborhood that's on the rise. Whether it's new businesses, young families moving in, improved parks, or home renovations, each one is a little hint that an area might be worth a closer look. If you're wondering what the new and upcoming areas in the Caledon area are, give me a call. Curious about finding the best neighborhood for you? I've got a few in mind that I'd love to share. You'll find my contact information, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on buying, selling, and everything real estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Wondering what some of the new and upcoming neighborhoods are in the Caledon community? Reach out. I'll be happy to share those insights.